Hello friend, welcome back to Pankaj Vid's YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very interesting thing. Have you ever wondered how much a YouTuber actually makes from 1 million views? It is not what you think, because today I'm going to list down all the factors which can make or break the YouTube earning. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to channel. Then we'll list down all the factors which can show you how much the YouTuber makes from 1 million views. Let's start. What are the basics of YouTube earning? So all the YouTuber primarily makes the income from YouTube ads, and all this income coming from YouTube ads basically depend on something called CPM, which is cost per million views or cost per 1,000 view. And trust me, this CPM or this income is not same for all the video. This CPM particularly depends on a certain factor which we are going to talk in a second. There are the few factors which the CPM depends on. First factor is the audience location. If your audience in high income countries like US, Canada or Europe, there is a chance you may have more income from the limited number of views. Second factor is content niche. If you are there is a lot of niche are there like finance, tech, entertainment, music. But if your content niche is the finance and tech, there is chance you may have the more income or more revenue from your views. Third factor is engagement. If your content is more engagement, then YouTube can explode your video to more viewers, and there is a chance you can boost your income also from this user engagement. And the other thing, last thing is not only from the ad, there is other factor also which you can make the income like super chat, channel membership, and the brand deals, which we are going to talk in detail in the later on this video. Let's talk about the numbers. The average CPM for YouTube ad range from $2 to $15, again depending on the CPM and the location, audience engagement. With the 1 million views, there is a chance you can make from $1,000 to $5,000. And there are some other factor which we talk like niche. So if your content is in niche like finance or tech, which is our channel in the same, from 1 million views you can make from $1,500 to $4,000. The other thing we should talk also how you can maximize your income. So you can maximize your income from the YouTube. The first factor is your content should be in a high niche content like finance or tech. There is a probability if you have content on this niche, you can make more out of this your views. Second factor, user engagement. If you have more user engagement, more people are going to watch it, they are going to watch more it, and you can boost your income also. Third is the diversify your income from the YouTube. You don't need to depend on all the time ad. You can have the affiliate marketing, you can have the brand deals, all those things are there. You can make them income from there also. I hope you like this video, and here you know how you can break out all the YouTube earning, like based on the niche, based on the audience location and user engagement. Please put me in comment what is your YouTube channel, what is their niche, and let us know also how do you like about this video. And don't forget to hit like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.